Let's make a delicious shrimp ceviche by the lake. It is a great summer snack that combines sour, salt, and spice perfectly. Start by butterflying your raw shrimp and place it in a bowl. You can use any size you'd like. Add 3 limes juice to the bowl. The acidity of the lime will cook the shrimp. You can use pre-cooked shrimp if you'd prefer, or steam it beforehand. Keep in mind, though, the pre-cooked kind can hold a rubbery bite, compared to the fresh taste and softer bite that the shrimp cooked in lime juice provides. Dice half a white onion into 1/4-inch cubes and add it to the bowl. Add salt and pepper for seasoning. Notice I started with a 1/4 teaspoon and worked my way up to a whole teaspoon of salt. Always start with less seasoning than you think you will need. You can always add more if necessary. Cut a Hothouse big tomato in quarters and take out the seeds. This step is important as the pulp around the seeds can make the final product watery and dilute the taste of everything else. Cut it into 1/4-inch cubes as well and add it to the bowl. For the spice, I only used 1 jalapeño because I'm going to add hot sauce later. Word of advice. Make sure you wear gloves when handling chili peppers. If you choose not to, stay away from your no-no zones. Cut the jalapeño in half and take out the seeds. Cut it into 1/8 of an inch cubes and add it to the bowl. Next, cut a cucumber in half and peel some of its skin off, but not all of it. Keeping some will give it a crunchier bite. Cut it into quarters and take out the seeds as well. Cut the quarters into strips and finally into 1/4-inch cubes. Add it to the bowl. The final vegetable is cilantro. Grab a bunch and chop the leaves as finely as you'd like. This will give the dish that distinct fresh herby taste and aroma. Add it to the bowl and give it a good mix. Finally, add some Valentina hot sauce. Give it all a final mix and you are all done. Enjoy it with tostadas or tortilla chips. Hope you enjoy this fresh, spicy snack. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-replicate restaurant-style recipes and culinary tips.